along with the boobies.
We left Mallorca towards Sardinia, and we clocked our first 200 nautical mile a day since we picked up the boat in some very favourable winds. Hugo was flying along. We got to Sardinia where we were spending a couple of days waiting for the next weather window. In the Med, weather windows don't last longer than a day or two, so you can't do crossings that are too long. We then left Sardinia to Malta, and halfway across on the second day we put up the spinnaker in about 15 knots of wind. The wind picked up, and in a mistake of my own, we accidentally jibed, shredded the spinnaker, and broke the mainsail attachment on the boom. After dropping from what's left of the spinnaker and rigging up the boom, we limped to Malta. For the next 10 days, we were waiting for the spinnaker to be repaired. We also needed to find some canal rivets for the boom to fix the attachment. Action Sales in Malta really looked after us on that. Thank you. At the end, it was not a waste. Malta ended up being a destination we highly recommend. We thought 10 days was almost not enough. We then planned our crossing to Greece carefully, which was going to be the longest one yet. And everything was great.
Aiming at 12 knots of waves. It's not a bad line. Yeah, sure he's blowing 30 knots. What's 30 knots of unscrewed?
Till 1 hour before the arrival, we got hit by unexpected winds of 40 plus knots. I've never seen so much wind on a sailboat before. Every time the boat hit a wave, half of it would land on my face.
Do you want a jacket or something? Oh!
And then we discovered paradise. Crystal clear waters, charming little towns, great food, and best of all, cheap. We spent the next 3 weeks cruising the beautiful waters of Greece. What we didn't know was that the Greece was going to become our favorite in the Med.
Hey, babe.
After spending 3 weeks covering both seas of Greece, we headed to Montenegro, a hidden gem in the Mediterranean and my grandfather's home country, where we enjoyed some friends' company and took a week-long break. It was time to lift anchor and set sail to Croatia. See part 3 as we spend time with family, check out a beautiful town of Brindisi, Italy, explore Sicily and cruise the Amalfi Coast.